Hello and welcome to VatiBot. In this video, I will show you all the features of VatiBot. You can start with free trial here. In this free trial, you will get all the features with unlimited capability. So I have just log in. This will be your dashboard. Here will be your inbox of chat where you can manage all the chats. Okay, so you can send here message, you can send emoji, you can send PDF, image, video, audio, etc. Here AI assistant is enabled. You can disable it also. If you have team, you can enable ticketing system, so you can mark as closed. That means this chat will be closed, and if you resolve the issue of the customer, you can assign chats to your team members among here. You can add notes and mark as closed, and all the things you can explore. Next is contacts. If you want to add contact one by one, that means you can click on add contact and add your contact detail here. You can import contacts in bulk also. So by clicking here, you can import your bulk contact in bulk, or here you can download sample. To upload bulk contacts, you should have first name and mobile number with country code. Like if your contacts are from India, you should have 91 as a prefix in all the contacts. Next is campaign. So before going to campaign, let's go to templates. So here you can manage all your templates. So you can, to create template, you can click here to create template. Here you will give name to this template, choose the category, marketing or utility, language. Then in header you can choose text, image, video and document. You can add variable in header if you are choosing text. Here is the body part. You can add variable here also, and you can make text bold, italic and like this. Okay, here will be your footer. In button part, you will have phone number. One phone number you can add. You can give 2 links here. You can, apart from this, you can give copy of offer code. You can use it for promotional offer code or OTP. Apart from this, you have this button also, so you can add up to 6 buttons. So here this is how you can manage all the templates. So see, this template has been approved. Okay, now you can use these templates to send bulk message or campaign. So to create a campaign, go to create a campaign, give it name, select your template and select the contact groups. If you want to send to a specific group, that you can create from here groups. You will create group and import contacts in that group. Then if you want to schedule this, you can choose date and time. If you want to send immediately, you can skip this part and you can send this campaign. To see analytics, all the analytics will be shown here. So let's click here. You will be able to see what is the status of your campaign. You can export the campaign report in Excel CSV file, and you can send again to failed or those contacts who have not read your campaign message. You can click here more info. It will show all the details here. Next part is automation. In automation, we have 3 options. One is basic reply, means this bot will reply only once, either in form of, let me show you more options. Here you will give it name, you will give it trigger keywords. Okay, you will select criteria. Exact means whenever somebody writes that keyword, then only it will trigger. Contains means whenever somebody writes any sentence, if that keyword is there in that sentence, this will trigger. The response type, we have three type of response. One is text, another is image, another is audio. You can add audio file, you can add image, and you can add text also. You can add variable in text. So this is the basic reply. Now comes automation. Here automation means flow builder. So let me show you already created automation or flow builder, or let us go for new automation. Here give it name. Let me give it name as a text. Here in the trigger point you will have two options. One is new contact. That means whenever new contact messages you, this flow will trigger. Another is text contains specific keyword. So based on keyword, if your customer writes this keyword, this flow will be triggered. Okay. Here now next we have, let's say, new contact, and we can add text here. So in the text you can map it like this, and you can add your content here. You can add variable and bold, italic, you can make it. Further we have media files. Media files means image, video, audio, and PDF document. Okay, you can add caption and you can upload file. In caption you can add variable also. Next is button. In button you can add header. In header you can add text, image, video, audio, document if you want to, or else you can leave it, it is optional. Next is body. You can add message in body, and footer is also optional. In button type we have two type. One is button, one is CTA button. CTA button only supports URL, so you have to give it a URL of your website or some other URL. In reply button type we have three button, so you can go for only one button also, or two also, or three also. And further you can map these buttons, let's say B1, B2 and B3, and you can map them further. Now next is list, interactive list. This will be list message, list button type of message. So you can call it menu also. If you have restaurant, you can call it course, available courses also, if you are educational company. In list button you can add header as a text, image, PDF, document type. Body optional, body is not an optional. Footer is optional. Button label, give it a name. Then you can add multiple list buttons here. Okay, so here give it title, give it any ID, title and description. So customer will be able to see only this title and description. And you can map this in next any text, media or interactive button. You can map further. Whenever customer clicks on this, next node will be delivered to customer. Okay, so this is the automation flow builder. So let me show you this already created. You can make it as long as and as complex as you can. See here, this is the button message. No, this is the list message type button. Okay, now comes the next important part, that is AI reply. AI reply assistant will work as your business assistant. So here in order to enable it, you have to give it OpenAI ChatGPT key, ChatGPT API key, give it here and select model and enable it. Okay, next comes AI assistant setup. So here you have to enable it to new conversations. So here you have to give it keywords. For these keywords it will automatically trigger. Here to stop this AI agent you have to give some keyword. So whenever somebody writes support, it will automatically disable for that contact. Here you can add your knowledge base. Knowledge base means about your business details and certain frequently asked questions. Have already uploaded 2 documents. So based on these documents it will be trained and it will reply to customer in whichever language they want. Based on the content of this doc, it will first learn and then reply to customer whatever language they are asking in. You can upload doc by clicking here. It supports PDF, doc and text file up to 20 MB. Okay, so this is the automation part. To set this automation you have to go to the settings and automation setting. So here select the sequence, response sequence. So first basic reply means whatever customer query is, if it falls under basic reply preview it will reply, otherwise it will come to flow. If the customer comes under flow preview means if they are writing certain keyword that is already there in flow, this flow will trigger, otherwise AI will reply. You can change it also, this sequence, and you can keep as it is. Next comes general settings, means about your organization you can keep all the things, and you can enable notification alert system. So whenever customer messages you, this pop-up thing or this sound will come. Okay, here is the contact field. That means you can add custom contact field here. Okay, here is the ticket system. That means if you have team, you can enable this ticketing system. So what it does is you can select these 2 options. One is auto. Auto means whenever some customer comes to your inbox and they ask some query or interacts with your business phone number, it will automatically distribute conversation among your available team member, whoever is available at that time. Available means if he has not engaged in particular with some customer, it will assign that chat to that customer, that agent. Or you can you can click here on off. The team member picks the conversation manually from unassigned folder. Next option is reassign chat that have been reopened. That means if the chat has been closed, marked as closed, if customer again comes to your business phone number, if you enable this option, that means that chat will only be redirected to the agent whoever has resolved that query or interacted with that customer. The next option is access to view all chat. That means your agent, your team member can see all the chats. If you enable this, that means he can see all the chats, otherwise they will not be able to see other chats. Here is the WhatsApp setting. Whenever you onboard on VatiBot, you have to connect your business phone number with VatiBot business WhatsApp API. So in another video I will show you how to connect your business phone number with WhatsApp with VatiBot WhatsApp business API. So after you connect your business API, it will show all the details here, your display name, your phone number, and what is your current messaging limit provided by Meta. If you are in tier 1, means you can send 1000 messages in 24 hours. You can Meta will automatically increase your limit if you meet their requirement. So all the details will be shown here. You can change them here, or you can delete this integration here and connect another number. Next is team. You can invite your team by providing their email ID and their role, agent or manager. Agent will be able to reply all your chats or customer query. Next comes billing subscription. That means you can upgrade or downgrade your subscription. Next comes supports. You can create support ticket for us if you face an issue. Otherwise, you can directly connect with us on WhatsApp by clicking on this button here on website. The next thing is developer tool. We have two options here. One is API key and webhook. If you are a developer, you have developer team, you can integrate with your CRM or any other custom app. Next thing is your profile. You can change your name and email here, password here. You can scan this QR code with your Google app, Google Authenticator app. This is the another security layer that we have given to you guys. Okay, so this is all about this VatiBot. If you have any other query, you can reach out us on WhatsApp. We will try to resolve your query ASAP. Thank you.